Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share a video on the propagation of jade plant. So without wasting time, let's get started. I have taken 2 cuttings of a jade plant and now I will remove the extra leaves. I'm using aloe vera as an organic rooting hormone. To prevent them from fungus, I will keep it like this for 2 to 3 minutes. And for the potting mix, I have used 50% garden soil, 20% river sand and 30% cow dung manure. I will make a hole with the help of a small stick and place the plant gently so that the rooting hormone doesn't get removed from the plant. Now I will place the plant in indirect sunlight in a bright light area. Hello everyone, this is day 25. Now let's check the root of the plant that we have planted 25 days ago. Now I will put some water to make the potting mix up so that the plants come out easily from the soil. Look, the plant is still healthy and the root has started to establish. Now I can plant this in another container using a fertilizer. So friends, if you want to propagate a jade plant, you can follow this process and you will get 100% successful result. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.